This apple crisp recipe came from the 30-Day Gourmet cookbook that is no longer in print. This is one of my favorite recipes to make at harvest time. In a gallon-sized freezer bag, you will put flour, cinnamon, and sugar. This mixture will be used to coat the apples that you will be putting inside of the bag. If you have a lot of apples and you want to make numerous batches of this recipe, you might want to buy an apple peeler because it makes the job a lot easier. Make sure to cut the bruises off of the apples after you peel them. The apples are placed into a bowl with some lemon juice. This will stop the apples from turning brown. You will need to drain the lemon juice off of the apples, but you can keep the lemon juice to use it for the next batch. In a small bowl, you can mix the topping for the apple crisp. You will mix oatmeal, brown sugar, flour, and cinnamon. After you cut the butter into the dry ingredients, you will place the mixture into a small bag, and you'll need to push as much air out of this bag as possible. Then you can place this small bag inside the large bag with the apple mixture. Again, make sure to push as much air out of the bag as possible before sealing the big bag.